Hey guys, take a metro to Kalighat or a train to Baliganj, then get on a auto and get off at Goriahat Bridge. This is the Goriahat Bridge, and from here there are many lanes from where you can shop. So get off an any lane and shop from there. You will get many stalls where 200 rupees, 100 rupees, 50 rupees sweaters will be sold. They have pretty good quality and they are cheap, so it's good marketing. You will get many kinds of bags and saris and kurtis here, from range 150 rupees to 350, 450 rupees, and it can increase in price. Then you will get denims at 250 rupees or 300. I really like this green denim. It's for 300 rupees. I didn't buy it though. We'll get many fancy clothes here too. And these jackets are a must buy. They are from 350 rupees to 450, 500 rupees. You can always bargain. Bargaining is the key thing here. Also, this kind of coats are really trendy right now. They are for 250 rupees and they are pretty cute. Now I found this 150 rupees pants PJs. They are really soft and comfortable and will be the best buy here. These fluffy pants are also for 150 rupees and they are so cute. There are numerous shops here. You can buy from any one of these shops. Don't forget to bargain, negotiate, and then buy. I found this cute little shop which sells for fake aloe vera, fake cactus, which is pretty cute, and also this room decor shop. The things are pretty cheap and you can always bargain. They are very flexible in prices. Silver jewelry, tote bags are all famous here. It starts from 100 rupees. Now this 100 rupees stalls. There are many stalls like this in this video and in Goriahat. I always shop from there more than the fancy ones. I like the quality and they are always casual and like pretty cheap, so yeah. I love purple, so I was searching for a purple one and I found it. And it's so soft, guys, believe me, it's really soft. If you want to see what I bought from Goriahat, the haul video, then please wait. The next video will be that one. Do search for any holes or any kind of disputes. Also find this 50 rupees stall which has pretty good things. Now the hat shop, who can forget hats? They are so cute and the range is from 50 rupees, 100 to 200, 300 depending on the quality. Now I love this fluffy kind of sweaters. They are my favorite. It's for 250 rupees. Like look at how fluffy it is, fluffy and soft like a koala bear. I loved this pink one. I didn't buy it, but I loved it. The prints are pretty nice. These are all 100 rupees stalls. Now I'm just looking around here and there. Again, fluffy sweaters. This grey dress is also good. Found another 50 rupees stall here. Now these coats are for 300 rupees, 400 rupees, and if you can bargain you can get it down to 250 rupees. I love this coat but it's not in my size. Now I particularly love white sweaters because they are like so cute and chic, and I found this white sweater and like I had to grab it. There are like many shops here, so guys please don't get upset if you like can't find one thing in one shop, because there are like many lanes, many shops. So just look around, search for it. You don't have to buy necessarily, just look around. Now it's time to eat. Bye guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bong Toxic. Till next time, see you soon. Bye.